Hello friends, you may be aware that GST Council has recently introduced Automated Return Scrutiny Module integrated into the ACES GST backend applications, which uses data analytics and artificial intelligence. What is the basic objective? Basic objective is to find out the accuracy of your return, accuracy of your various returns which you are filing to the department, and instead of verifying manually, it will be verified based on data analytics and artificial intelligence. As you might be knowing that income tax assessments under 143(1) are mostly done by the machines. That is why we always get the 143(1) intimations immediately after submitting return. The same system with artificial intelligence and using data analytics, your returns will be verified. Now, the question is that as a registered taxpayer, what you are supposed to do? What precautions you need to take so that your unit does not appear under scrutiny. There are certain precautions which you can take from now onwards, which will help you to basically reply to the department's various investigation memos. Hence, let us know how department will take initiative to collect your data, and then we will discuss as a registered taxpayer what precautions you need to take. Friends, before that, please give your comments. Please like our videos and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Now, how department will go about it? We have tried to find out the process. This is just for your informations and you really cannot do anything. First, department will collect data. The tax authority collects data from various sources, including the tax returns filed by the taxpayers, financial institutions, because you are submitting your turnover, your stock details to the banks every month, government agencies like TDS return being submitted by your customer, like that they have informations from all sources. This data is collected and stored in a central database. Next, they will do the necessary data integrations. That means collected data is integrated into a centralized system or software that utilizes AI and data analytics capabilities. Third process, data analysis. The AI algorithm analyzes the integrated data to identify patterns, anomalies, inconsistencies, or potential risks. The analysis can include comparing the taxpayers' data with industry benchmarks, historical trends, or predefined parameters set by the tax authority. I'll just give you an example. For example, the tax authority has the necessary data about increase of sale in case of seasonal industry. For example, paints. Normally we find after the closure of the monsoon, the sale of paints go on increase to a double-digit figure. For example, September, October, November, December, January, these are the peak periods. Because it is to a certain extent, it is a seasonal industry. So that information is already there with the department. Now if you fall within a paint industry, the AI will be able to correlate what is your growth of sales and what is the industry growth of sales registered by various paint industries. For example, the paint industries as an industry registered a growth of say 20% in the month of November or December or October during Diwali time. So 20% growth all industries as a whole. But you have shown a growth of 5% or say 10%. Then obviously the AI will be able to detect that this company is an outlier and accordingly they will investigate into the industry and find out what is the basic cause for not maintaining the turnover growth in terms of industry. And you will be getting several memos. These memos are not so-called notice. These memos are basically to inform to the department as to what are the basic reasons for which you are unable to maintain the growth in the line of the industry. If there is a suitable reply, there will not be any problem. And that is the way the department will fix the risks associated with any organization. Friends, I will give you a beautiful example to understand how AI and artificial intelligence will work. For example, you are trading electronic goods. The AI will have the information about the average value additions in respect of trading of electronics goods in the country based on the returns submitted by the various traders of electronics goods in the country. And for example, the average value addition means sales minus purchase, and you all know that is subject to payment of GST. And the All India value addition shows that the electronics trading industry registered a value additions of average 5%. Just an example. But you as a trader, you have shown a total value additions, that means input versus output difference is only 2%. So immediately the AI will be able to fix this particular company as a possible risky registered taxpayer, and they will try to investigate why the difference in value additions between 5% to 2%. This is easily available to the department with the help of the data analytics, because all over India electronics trading industries individually are filing their return. So it is not difficult for the department to find out what is the average value additions made by the trading industry in the electronic segment. And then they will be able to compare your value additions. And if they find the differences beyond any threshold limit, obviously it will come in their radar. So I have given you 3 pertinent examples which will help you to understand how AI will work. It will not only depend on the data which you are feeding by way of submitting return, but at the same time they will try to recheck the informations through various sources. Mind that whenever you are showing any sales or supply in your return, that is correspondingly being shown as input by your customer. So they can always check it, and that is the basic reason for this data analytics. The department's objective is very clear: no revenue leakage, pay duty as payable on the value additions. So you understand what is data analytics and how it will be helpful to the industry. Then based on that they will calculate the risk assessment. Then they will flag where are the discrepancies, where are the outliers, and they will start sending automated notifications or automated notice to the concerned company, and they will try to know what are the basic reasons for the mismatches. Friends, these are the basic reason, and this will be done automatically in our country. So far I know, registered taxpayers are around 1 crore 40 lakhs. When we started GST in the year 2017, the number of registered taxpayers were around 67 lakhs. And today we have around 1 crore 40 lakhs registered taxpayers. So the department has huge data, and with those data they will be able to find out if there are any outliers, if there are any lapses, if there are any deficiencies, and that is the basic objective. It cannot be done humanly, it will only be done through machines. Friends, we have discussed now as a taxpayer what you need to do, because you might get the notifications. Now we have tried to find out some way out. First of all, you must have the reconciliations all the time. How? Reconciliation of your annual returns turnover versus your audited balance sheet, return turnover versus 26A's tax deduction at source, your annual turnover versus total value of EOA, there will be differences. Then your ITC reconciliations, these are very, very important. And these reconciliations are to be made not at the end of the year. It has to be made on a continuous basis. So that if you get any notification or any memo from the department, you can rightly inform that the differences are genuine and the cause of the differences are like that. Say for example, the department has come out and said that you have shown a total turnover of 100 rupees in EOA, whereas you have shown only 60 rupees in the GST return, annual return or 3B return. This 40 rupees difference is there. Why there is difference of rupees 40? Why not to consider 100 rupees as your turnover and pay tax? Then you have to have a ready-made answer as to these are the basic reasons for which there will be some differences. Like EOA bill are used in respect of certain transportations beyond the threshold limit, whereas invoices are to be raised. In case of a debit note, it adds to the value of the turnover, but for debit note you do not need any EOA bill. Like that, there are 18-19 reasons when you are sending materials to your job worker, you have to use EOA bill, but there is no corresponding invoice because materials will come back. So there are genuine reasons, and that reasons have to be kept pretty fresh. So therefore, we do not find any threat or any sort of difficulties on the part of the registered taxpayers because of implementation of data analytics or artificial intelligence, provided you take suitable precautions with regard to the reconciliations in respect of the various aspects of the GST return, so that you can reply to the department at the earliest. Friends, once again request you to give your comments so that we can come out with similar deliberations on different aspects pertaining to the business and commerce, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.